Welcome angels and devils to my YouTube channel Millie's Bloopers. I'm your baby doll Millie, and in the current situation of COVID-19, the content of this video is all about how neighbors have a conversation during the stages of lockdown. Hello? Pepper. It's me, Meenama. You can hear me. Hello, Pepper? Yes, it's Pepper. Tell me, Meenama. Little that one pepper is empty in my house. Could you be able to send it with Chinto? Alright. But please, first send all the boxes that I sent you last year. Yeah. You heard about that Kerna virus? 21 days lockdown it seems. Ayyo, that is why yesterday I did full grocery shopping. 21 packets active popcorn I got. So, what else? Tell me. It's coronavirus, Meenama. Also, yes, I heard about it, and it is a serious issue because people are dying. Hey, Pepper, don't worry. Modi ji will take care of us. India population less. Only 500 positive till now, ma. Our stamina is very, very tightly built. Don't forget to send Pepper, okay? Yeah, sure. Hello, Mangesh sir, it's me Pandu. Sir, today we'll put one scene, sir. Simple, you bring 2 packets moong dal. I'll bring leftover biryani. Proper no, sir, you're free only now today. Seena! No, Pandu. I have today lot of work from home. We'll do some other time, okay? Don't worry, huh? Okay. Okay. Hello, Pepper. What are you doing? Nothing, Meenama. I was just finishing some house chores. Very bored. I just finished all the housework and I'm sitting. I was thinking what to do for tomorrow's breakfast.
These people know my waste husband, 2 kids, how much they eat
Meenamma, I really have to go. I have a lot of work to do. Hey, don't go. Speak no. 5 more minutes. You heard about the zones and all? Red zone, green zone, orange zone. Why they not keeping magenta pink zone? No? You wear beautiful magenta pink lipstick and all. Don't worry, Pepper. Today, no, I will call our area MLA and I'll tell him you have to change orange zone into magenta pink zone.
Also, you know that next road Priyanka is there, no? She allowed her daughter to buy pizza, it seems. What if delivery boy has corona? Huh? What if everyone in this area gets corona? Everyone should blame Priyanka only.
Meenamma, just yesterday I saw Mr. Mangesh standing outside the restaurant buying some chicken curry. Huh? Ayyo, no, you would have seen someone else. Okay, now I have to go cook with some salt. Bye. Bye. Hello?
Yes, sir, tell me. Today you are ready to put scene. Tell your wife you have a business meeting, business talking. Why she doesn't allow you to come, huh?
No, I am the owner of the house. Who is she to tell me? But today only 2 pigs, huh? Because in the evening I have lot of work from home. Today only I have to submit.
Don't worry. You can do work from home in my home also, no?
No, I do work from home only in my home because Wi-Fi connection very strong.
Even my house also, Wi-Fi connection is weak only. Right, what you said. Okay, sir. Bye.
Oh God, Meenu, what happened? Why are you crying like this? So many people are dying. I'm sad that when I die, no one will be coming to see me. What Papa have done, huh? Pepper, tell me. That is why I have decided. From today onwards, I will follow a beautiful diet. Sanitizer paratha,
Sanitizer gobi, sanitizer salad, sanitizer lassi. With everything with sanitizer today. Change, very strict diet.
Oh my God. If you do that, you will die before getting corona. I was just joking. So many people dead in US, no? They should have called Indians for self-care tips. For self-care tips. Acha. Meenu, you won't die. Don't worry. Thank you for your blessings. Today morning, I was smelling some sambar. Your house sambar only, no? Smell was very good. I was sitting and thinking what to cook. Even I thought I'll make sambar, but time ran away. So indirectly you're asking me to send little sambar. Yes. Why not? Very little is enough. Okay? Little. Small box you send. Enough. First of all, you sent only 1 box last time. Send me all the boxes first and then I'll think of sending sambar. Okay, bye. Shamale Meenakshi Sundareshwara Sakshi Shankari Guru Guha Samudbhave Shiveva bored. Yeah. Hello, Pepper, it's me, Meenamma. I was thinking why your parents named you as Pepper, but they didn't name your sister as Salt. Well, also, you know, whenever I'm sleeping, no, someone in the road, that paper wala, he keeps on screaming, Pepper, Pepper. Ayyo, my sleep and all gone. I keep thinking why someone is calling Pepper and she's not even answering. Why you don't answer? He calls your name every day. Papa, too much love he has, no, on you?
Paper! Paper! Paper!
Even I keep thinking as to why old aunties are so irritating. Hey, who is old? Who is auntie, huh? Okay, leave. You heard our finance minister Nirmala madam speaking, huh? Very beautiful lady, no? You remembered my principal only, pa. Yeah. But what beautiful work they're doing. I was very happy to see the news. Finally, in coronavirus, one good news they've given. Arre, wow, Meenu, first time you spoke something nice and informative. Yes, they're doing a lot of good work from May 13th. Even I've been watching the news. Pepper, you are like my younger sister, no? Today I know it was your birthday. That is why I made a special cake for you. I kept it in front of your house door and I came back. It is freshly made with lots of dry fruits. Very, very healthy, okay? Eat and tell me how it is. Oh, that is so sweet, Meenu. No one had done something so sweet for me. Okay, stay on the call. I will eat now only and I'll tell you how it is. Wow, Meenu, it does smell so good. It is so tasty. I can get the dry fruits in my mouth. Very tasty, Meenu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Just to be safe, I put 2 drops of sanitizer. That's all. What?
Sir, finally you made time to come into my house and put one scene with me. So we'll cheers to that, okay? Cheers, sir. This is homemade mandaki, sir. Taste. My wife only made. Very tasty.
Very nice, sir. The names used for the characters are completely fictitious. And please do not use sanitizer as an ingredient for cooking. This was all just for fun, just to lighten up the mood in the current situation. So, another quote from my mind palace. Know that your only competition is who you were yesterday. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Like Mari, share Mari, subscribe Mari, chill Mari. Aarti. 21 packets popcorn I got, ma. I don't know I cut.
Homemade mandaki, sir. What? It's very, very tasty. ಸರಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್
That pepper, see, don't worry, I'm good.
Dying pepper. If I die,
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
like ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ.